hardworking hands. And I'm the father of the group. And my favorite verse is Proverbs 28, verse 13, which is, whoever conceals his transgressions will not prosper, but he who confesses and forsakes them will obtain mercy.
Hello po, I am entertaining Hillary. My favorite Bible verse is from Psalm chapter 119, verse 6 to 6, which is, teach me good judgment and knowledge, for I believe in your commandments, and I am the mother of you.
Good afternoon po, I'm Chico Agasha, and my favorite Bible verse is 1 Corinthians chapter 13, verse 3. And now this fear of me, faith, hope, and love, was the greatest of these. And I am just from
Good afternoon. My name is Royal Audrey. I'm one of the sisters of the family. And my favorite Bible verse is Philippians chapter 4, verse 13, which says, I can do all this through His who is strength.
So, good day everyone. My name is Compassionate Ella, and my favorite Bible verse is Isaiah chapter 43, verse 22. To hit wonders, and I am the brother of our ESPs.
Hi po, my name is Faithful Ashley and I am the brother of the family. My favorite Bible verse is Proverbs chapter 16 verse 3, which means, commit your words to the Lord and your plans will be established.
Good afternoon. I'm Frank Paula, and I am one of the brothers of the family. My favorite verse is Psalm chapter 46, verse 5. God is within her, she will not fall. God will help her and bring her.
Of course, yung name po ng group namin is hindi ko sinasabi yung pangalan. Pero ang saint po namin is Saint Martin de Porres. He was born on December 9, 1790 in Lima, Peru, and died on November 3, 1633. Ang feast day niya po is sineselebrate po tuwing November 3. And he is the patron of social justice, racial harmony, and mixed race people. Bakit nga Voice of the Hungry ang pangalan ng group namin? Of course, Saint Martin de Porres is the one who is helping the poor, the sick, and anyone who's treated unfairly. He didn't care about person's race or background, but he believed everyone deserved kindness. Try ko muna po. BCN! BCN!
BCM!
Ready!
Ready!
1, 2, 3. M-A-R-T-I-N. Martin, Martin, Saint Martin de Porres. BCN.
BCM!
Ready!
Ready!
1,